everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dawn with Candy Cane Ridge. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to make this cute little 4-patch, simple, easy coaster. Perfect for any holiday. Christmas is coming up. Make it for a craft fair or give it as a hostess gift. So grab your fabric and let's get stitching.
So to make our simple 4-patch coasters, you're going to need 6 different 5-inch squares. I have chosen 2 reds, 2 kind of a creamy color, and then my back of my coaster and the inside of my coaster, I have chosen this little country fabric. This is actually all Prairie Christmas from Poppy Cotton. So to get started, you're going to take your 4 top pieces and you're going to fold them in half. Just match them up and give it a press. So basically you're making a 2.5 inch by 5 inch rectangle. If you need a quick hostess gift, Christmas present, these also sell really at craft fairs, the Christmas markets that are coming up. Okay, so here's our top. Now I want you to watch how simple this is. This is going to be the inside of my coaster. I'm going to lay it face down. This is the back of my coaster, and it's going to be face up. So wrong sides together. Then I'm going to take raw edge to raw edge, match them up, and I'm going to alternate raw edge to raw edge, raw edge to raw edge, again raw edge to raw edge. Now, this is the only hard part. Flip this up, flip this one up, wiggle those matching. I'm going to use my little clips and I have got everything pinned. I'm going to stitch all the way around. I'm going to make a square. I don't need a turn hole or anything. I'm going to stitch 1/4 of an inch all the way around. I'll be right back. So here it is. I stitched all the way around. Now I had blue thread in my machine and I thought it would show up really good. So I just went ahead and used it. So I just stitched all the way around. Now I'm going to clip the corners. Now here's the fun part. Guys, we're done. It's finished. Take the inside, put your thumbs in there, and flip them out. It's going to be kind of awkward maybe at first, but you'll I'm just using my fingernails for right now. Okay, this is just a chopstick from a dinner place. Now, if you have the white clover point turner, that works great too. This was just easier for me to grab. Just kind of work those out. And two, my fabric is quite heavily starched. This is actual leftover fabric from when I did the trees and the wagon from Poppy Cotton several months ago. And so I quite heavily starched that fabric. There's the back and the front. And look, you can peek inside, and there's the inside fabric. So now I'm just going to make sure that that lays good. Give it a press. Now it is entirely up to you if you want to take a top stitch, and you can work on your corners a little bit more, but it's totally your coaster. You do it your way. But if you choose to, you can even take a top stitch and go all the way around. These wash up very well. Now in the pattern, I have left you the option of some batting inside. This one did not have batting, and it's basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 layers of fabric thick. So to me, it does its job without batting in there. And if you need to, a little bit of spray and wash, and throw it in the washing machine. So I hope you enjoyed this quick Christmas tutorial. Again, you can use this with any holiday fabric or whatever your color scheme is, or your friend's color scheme if you give it as a hostess gift. So if you make these, share with us your projects. We love seeing what y'all do, and I'll see you in the next video.